Morning, Rick here from the Hobbs crew. I'm getting ready cooking for the crew. This is our second breakfast we're cooking on the new griddle. It's the Camp Chef Pro 90X. This breakfast we're doing breakfast burritos. We kept it simple. We're going to go with bacon, onion, eggs. We're only going with 24 eggs. We have a family of 7 kids. So we're going to start out with 24. Hopefully that's enough. We'll see. And then we have the fixings for later. Right now, just waiting for the griddle to warm up. Once it gets warmed up, we'll get going. Okay, so one side's already warmed up. For some reason, the middle gets hotter than the outsides. Still testing that to figure out what's going on. I don't have an infrared thermometer. We figured out we're gonna need to get that so we can tell what the temperatures are. I'm gonna use olive oil this morning. I'm finding that vegetable oil lasts longer on it, but I'm still going to test it to see how the olive oil does. Just put a little bit on there and spread it out. This is 12 slices of bacon. I don't think it's hot enough because there's no sizzle. We don't buy it by the package. We have a store locally that sells a 10-pound box. It's cheaper for us to buy it this way. It's usually less per pound compared to buying it individual wraps. But since we have a family of 9, we're always doing cost-effective shopping. And this is good bacon for the price. Think about just throwing the onion. So I throw the onion on the side and then mix it in together. One on the onion. We pre-slice this usually one day a week. We have food prep where the kids all chop up onion and peppers and get all that stuff ready for the week. All we need out here right now is the coffee pot on this other burner, smelling coffee with the bacon and cooking. It smells great.
I really love bacon.
This end cooks hotter. Still trying to decide how to fix that issue.
What are you making, Mom?
Mom, aren't you going to answer?
Bacon, egg, and cheese burritos.
I need to get the bacon grease off that.
Yeah, we're not going to be able to say it. Well, no, we can't really say the bacon grease in this. Hit the table. Another nice thing about this is when you're cooking grease, it splatters everywhere inside the kitchen. With this, I'm not getting splattered. I'm not getting spit on by the grease.
You can't go wrong with bacon.
All of this.
Oh, the grease is coming out this way. I want to make sure I have bacon grease to cook the eggs in. I'm going to go ahead and throw the onions in the bacon.
Okay, so while he's cooking all the stuff for a filling for our breakfast burritos, we'll have scrambled eggs, bacon for like a bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast burrito. I like to kind of create like a breakfast burrito bar for the kids so that they can pick what they want to put on it. And so we have salsa. Can you go get another jar of salsa?
Okay.
Salsa, we have sour cream, and then I like to put this on pretty much everything. But it's jalapeno fiesta dip, shredded cheese, and of course flour tortillas. And then, so we'll probably warm the tortillas up. Most of our kids like cheese for the most part. And then we'll fill them up, and then they can top them with what they want.
It's almost time. It smells fantastic.
Because this one will hold it down. Should have bacon grease going down this.
Are we gonna use that or?
I can't know because it's going down here. It's dirty. But we might be able to drain it into that.
I cleaned it out last night.
cleaned it,
This is
yeah.
our first thing. But the only thing is the onions mixed in, so you can't use it anyway.
Oh, yeah, can't.
Why?
Because once you mix it together, you can't save it.
So glad we got this.
No.
Oh, me, oh, me, oh, me, oh.
Did everybody get their chores done? They need to get their chores done?
Yep. So are you gonna cook the eggs tomorrow?
Yeah. In the.
Ooh.
That will be interesting.
Yeah.
You get a prime time shot of that.
Gonna have to be fast.
A little bit of jalapeno just for me.
Only for you.
All you want?
Yep.
It looks good now. It's done. How are you gonna clean this?
With water and scraper, just like last night. Again, Casey got jalapeno peppers. The kids sliced that on the food prep day also. But the nice thing is, all the kids don't want the spice, so we can do it to the side. We got probably a paper plate with, or a plate with paper towels and stuff that I can put this on. That way we can drain the grease away.
It looks like kerneled onions.
There are onions in it.
Yeah, there are. So kernels. But you can't really see the onions because it's kind of the same color as. I can barely see. Miranda, the onions shrunk. Yeah, the onions are brown now. See, they're shrunk. Yep, it's slobbering. Oh, shit.
Got to drain off some of this grease.
That's what grease we're wasting.
Okay, Alex, we've heard you.
But if it was not cooked with onion, it would be able to save it.
Yes. You just need straight bacon grease in order to save it. Lulu, stop.
Be quiet. Be quiet. You be quiet.
Okay, arguing with her is not helping the cause. Now, here comes the real show.
On the low? Yeah, for the rest of that. Yeah, that's a lot more than I thought. Ah, should I try to help? Why is this not working? Hold on.
Skirt actually works. Oh my goodness. That was weird. That was weird. Someone put in the drink, but that it's weird. I hope so, since it was that much work.
Ciao.
Pepper.
Achoo.
Just sit outside.
What's that?
Salt.
Garlic salt and a little bit of salt.
No, it's too wet. Yummy. Was it quicker than you thought?
Yeah. Well, I thought it would have set up quicker.
Wait, can we do the tortillas on here?
I'm sure.
Annie, no. No.
Need a bacon picker. We need bacon picker.
No, we don't need a bacon picker.
I need trash.
Someone go get the trash can.
Add jalapenos to mine. Okay. And I want to put a little bit of jalapeno on it.
More jalapeno.
And a little bit of salsa. See how good you did. Yum. Tastes like we should be camping. Smell the bacon. I smell the bacon. Like the weather today. This feels like we should have like a campfire or something.
Oh, we could get the fire
It's delicious though. The eggs are really good. They may not be the prettiest, but they taste good.
Good.
Andy?
It's really, really good. Very good. Very good. It's really good.
How many want seconds?
Everyone. Like, subscribe, and share.
Can we act a little bit more excited? Like! Okay, go.
Like, subscribe, and share.